This is the Ferecla G Plus D nibber tool. The box features some key specifications of the tool, including the compatible abrasives and the speed range, 4,000 to 10,000 RPM. There is also the speed settings and a QR code to activate your warranty. First thing you'll find when you open the box is the instruction manual. We recommend reading this thoroughly before use. You will also find P2500 to 3000 grit rosettes and this alternative Velcro interface. And finally, the machine itself. It is lightweight, has exceptional build quality with a comfortable rubberized grip, ideal for one or two-handed use. Don't forget, when you purchase your mini machine, you'll need to buy a battery and charger separately. The charger is suitable for voltages between 100 and 240 and up to 3 amp charge current. It also comes with a UK and EU plug. The mains cord for the charger is around 1.5 meters long, and you can find the EU plug inside the UK plug. The box also contains an instruction manual and, of course, the charger itself. There are many vents in the body to keep the battery and charger cool during charging. Finally, the battery box contains a 10.8 volt battery and an instruction manual. Your battery will take a little under an hour to charge, and if you have multiple batteries, you will have no downtime. When charging the battery, the green light will blink. Charging is complete when the green light is continuously lit. All our mini tools have brushless motors, a benefit as it means you do not have to worry about replacing carbon brushes. The speed range is controlled with 6 settings. The first light covers speed settings 1 and 2, the second light covers speed settings 3 and 4, and the third light covers speed settings 5 and 6. If using the D-nibber for an extended period, users can double-click the trigger to set it to the maximum selected speed. The design of the D-nibber enables you to work closely to the surface you are sanding for greater control. It also comes with 2 types of backing plate, depending on the type of abrasive you are using. It is a versatile machine that is ideal for a variety of environments and uses such as OEM and automotive smart repair, as well as focused areas for marine and industrial users.